plastic card has been with us since the late 1960s. Its original use was in early transactional banking to carry unique signatures. A check receiver could check against this original and decide whether to accept a check or not. Signature checking continued for nearly 40 years, although the card was digitized with a magnetic stripe to access bank accounts via the ATM machines. The plastic card has evolved and also faded from many areas of modern life. It remains, however, a primary carrier of data for identification purposes, and its success in loyalty applications remains unbeaten in value and ease of use terms. Here we view the typical manufacture of a plastic card in a South African card factory. The card design is delivered electronically and processed in the desktop publishing department. The artwork is processed to be production ready and color accurate. Card Technology Services uses state-of-the-art plastic sheet printing presses called Genius 52 UVs. Unlike conventional printing presses, these don't require water and are comparatively odorless because the ink used is hardened through ultraviolet curing rather than conventional evaporative drying. The press operator is a skilled craftsman, and it takes many years of experience to become a specialist printer in plastic. Color matching is an artisan craft and also requires years to master and an accurate eye. The ink color you see in the tin is not always what you will see on the finished product. The printing plates, ink and plastic sheets are loaded into press. When running, the press feeds about 4,000 sheets per hour. For decades, the magnetic stripe has been the cheapest form of digitizing data onto a card. Innovative security techniques allow the use of magnetic stripe cards to continue, especially in hospitality and bank markets. We apply magnetic stripes to reels of clear plastic. Here, the magnetic material is transferred by heated rollers onto the reels of plastic and cut to sheets, which match the position and size of the printed sheets from the press. The collating department collects and bonds the layers of plastic into packs by spot welding them together. It is also at this stage that RFID inlays with microchips and supporting antennae can be inserted between the packs to manufacture highly secure RFID cards for banking, secure ID and access control cards. If necessary, the magnetic stripe sheets are added as well. To achieve this, the plastic pack is layered between sheets of mirror-polished steel plates, which give the cards their polish. Different types of lamination plates can be used to impart silk matte or pre-designed engraved images to shape the finished card surface. The stack of metal and plastic sheets is then fed to the laminator and heated under pressure. Once the desired temperature and pressure is reached, the stacks are moved to a cooling station which rapidly cools the now bonded packs to retain their new form. Punching the cards requires both high precision and high strength machines to cut the cards out from their sheets. The key function here is to create clean cuts with sharp edges and punching accuracy to have consistent results. The stacks of sheets are automatically fed into the punch. Precision alignment is achieved by optical sensors, after which the sheet is fed to the punch head. The cards are collected into stackers and boxed, and the waste skeletons are separated for recycling. Many cards are either foiled or surface treated to create eye-catching special effects. Our foiling department of 3 automated machines caters to most requirements. A precision-engineered foiling block is heated and pressed to a foil onto the card's surface, leaving behind the foiling image. We inspect our cards manually. Due to the varied nature of the many types and properties of the cards manufactured, inspection team use human qualities to quality control all of our cards. After inspection, the cards are boxed, sealed and ready to be delivered to the next process or owner. Even the boxes are made in South Africa. The personalization or bureau department is responsible for either embossing, thermal printing, and various forms of encoding on cards. It is here where cards become unique to one another and are personalized.
Hello, my name is Hardy Kruger and I'm the CEO of Card Technology Services. As you have seen in this video, CTS is a South African all in-house manufacturer of plastic cards. You've seen our high-tech machinery and our specialist skills. But what the video cannot show you is the service, commitment, and the values we as a group put into our work. So, if you or your organization needs secure identification or loyalty type plastic cards, please contact us to experience this for yourself.